Hi guys, we're up in Portrush today. As you all know, curry season just ended a few days ago, and today we're up a few days after it closed to see what's been happening, and already there's been stuff happening here. So as you can see here, the Helter Skelter was literally dismantled very quickly, and I believe it's going on its way to the Belfast Christmas market like it did last year. Yeah, so you can see there the children's ride's been dismantled. So as you can see here, the Sizzler is still being, I think it's going to be staying for most of the season, to be honest. But yeah, that's some updates around the Sizzler, and then yeah, I've done a wee bit of work with the fences there. On the side of the mini dodgems here, you can see parts of the Waltzer's been put, and up there, yeah, you can just about see there's the carousel that's been dismantled. I believe that's going to Thunderland at the RDS. So that's going to be interesting. And so there's more parts, and then there's the cars just about there. So you can see here the Happy Valley's still here, and I don't think that's going to be dismantled, to be honest, because Jungle River, which is William Byrd's machine's probably going to go to Funderland. This one here is a really nice one. Final thing up here before we go look at the beach, there's the Waltzer, which is going to be getting pulled down, as we speak. I can see staff working on it, and then there's the load for Crazy Caterpillar. And you can just see there, that's Crazy Caterpillar, and I think that's also going to Thunderland too. Look, there's parts of the old Barry's mural breaking through. And there's the game stall that was in front of Aquavai that was never open. There it is, just there. I think they're going to be doing something with that next year, hopefully. And yeah, and then there's right here Crazy Frog, which I don't think is going anywhere this closed season. And then they've cleared up that information point very quickly. Last year it took ages for them to remove it, and then I think King Salty's around there too. Wee cheeky shot of the control panel there, but then yeah, Jumping Astro I think is going to get, not sure what's going to be happening with it. This literally still smells of churros. So finally up here we're at the Beast, and you can see here not much happening. Last year they had like people dismantling the ride. I'm not sure if they're going to dismantle this year, but I'd love to see it go travelling to like Thunderland and stuff, and that would be epic because this machine's got so much potential. Yeah, that's some updates around the Beast. The cars have been wrapped up. So yeah, that's some updates around Curry's, and then over here at K-Land, yeah, not much has been happening, but the crate's back, which has the K-Land thing on it. But I don't really like that sign, to be honest. Yeah, not much else happening around K-Land. I'm going to try to give you more Curry's and K-Land updates as the thing goes round, but yeah, thank you for watching.